In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, so I'm starting by going to Facebook, and once the page loads, I'm making sure I'm on my main account home screen where I can see the navigation options and icons at the top. From here, I'm looking toward the top section of the page where the messaging tools are located. Now I'm going to click on the messenger icon, so I'll select that, and it will open up my messages where all my conversations are listed. Once the messages panel opens, I'm going to find the conversation with the buyer or seller that I want to manage. So I'll scroll through the list if needed and click on the specific chat to open it. At this point, the conversation will be visible and I'll be inside the chat window. Now I'm going to look for the three dot icon within the conversation options, so I'll click on that three dot menu to reveal additional actions related to the chat. After clicking the three dot icon, a menu will appear with different options. From those options, I'm going to click on delete chat. So I'll select that option, which will remove the conversation from my messages list. Once that's done, the chat is deleted and no longer visible in my conversation list. At this point, the message thread with that buyer or seller has been cleared from your side. And that's really all there is to it. So yeah, that's how you delete a message on Facebook Marketplace. You go to Facebook, click the messenger icon, open the conversation with the buyer or seller, click the three dot menu, and then select delete chat to remove the conversation.